how to make money on people per hour as a WordPress plugin developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your work to the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a visitor in the platform here looking for a WordPress plugin developer, I will just go to the search button in here, click on search freelancers. Then I'm going to the search box in here and enter the skill I'm looking for, which is not this one. It's a WordPress plugin developer, and I'm going to enter that in here and click on the search. So here you're going to see all of the top WordPress developers, and as you can see, you're going to see also how much they're making per hour. In here, $100 per hour, 180, $105, 150, 40, 50, 20. So the numbers that they are doing varies from one to another, but the concept is still the same: creating your profile to showcase your skill in here. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile to showcase your skills. So let's go with freelancer button in your top right, and then click on I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email. Then you proceed to fill in your usual information: first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my email and my password as well. And here, as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you start with your profile picture, you drop a file in here, or you browse to add, then you proceed to your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just go with WordPress plugin developer. Then you proceed to add in your skills, and as you can see, the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15, so make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start with WordPress, and here we have WordPress design, WordPress CMS, WordPress development, WordPress e-commerce, and here we have WordPress template, WordPress plugin, and WordPress plugin development as well. And that's it for the skills. Then we proceed to fill in the about you section. So here you describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to make a decent description for your profile, what I like to use personally is going to the search box and searching for the other freelancers and seeing how are they talking about the skill in their profiles. So let's go to the search in here and click on search freelancers. And here we're going to hire, or we're going to search for WordPress plugin developers, and we're going to check their descriptions. So let's go for all offers, and here Let's check someone who is making a lot of money in this field. So here we have this one with $150. So let's check his description. So he's got a lot of sales, and let's check his description. And from the get-go, you'll notice that his description is very organized with questions and answers to those questions. This is a very captive description, providing strategic digital solutions to small and mid-sized businesses by building them a robust web presence that converts visitors into customers. Who am I? I'm the CEO of Credify Solutions and have been delivering great results for over 10 years. We specialize in designing strategic websites that get found and then convert visitors into customers. How I do it? By using a very specific 9-step process and starting with 4-hour discovery call followed by comprehensive research and then building a strategy before jumping into branding, design development, and digital marketing. Why it works? A strong online presence is now essential for almost every business. A pretty website is no longer enough. You need a strategic website and a right digital marketing plan that works for you and helps to convert your visitors into customers. What makes us different? We have been designing websites for 7 years now and know what works and what doesn't. We have hundreds of satisfied customers that are happy to refer us. Ready to talk? We offer a short complimentary strategy session and conversion advice. Send me a short message saying I'd like to know more, and I'll send you some complimentary details. No pressure, no obligation, just good, usable info. So that's a very decent description. In order to take inspiration from, I advise you to follow that description and make sure to get your inspiration from it. And after you're done, you go back to your profile in order to make adjustments to the description and the profile as well. So here you'll be able to edit everything in the profile, from your name, profile picture, cover image, job title, your skills, the about you, portfolio, location, industry, your hourly rate, and you can also drop your phone number as well. And after all of that, then click on the save to save every information you add or change. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section down below.